Have you ever wondered why some engineers seem to unlock endless financial opportunities, while others struggle just to make ends meet? If you're an engineer or someone with technical skills, this video could be the game changer you've been looking for. Today, you'll discover how to leverage your expertise to not only make money but also create lasting wealth. Being an engineer comes with its own set of challenges. Long hours, intense competition, and the constant pressure to stay updated with evolving technologies can leave you feeling stuck. Maybe you've been in the same role for years, watching others advance while your own salary plateaus. Or perhaps you've considered freelancing or starting a business but don't know where to start. You're not alone. Thousands of engineers face these exact problems. But the good news is that there are proven strategies to break free and thrive. Today, we'll dive into those strategies and show you how to turn your technical skills into a powerful income engine. 1. Traditional engineering roles and maximizing earnings. Engineering is one of the most respected professions, but many engineers underestimate their earning potential. Did you know that specializing in in-demand fields, such as renewable energy or software engineering, can increase your salary by up to 40%? For example, adding a project management professional, PMP, certification can make you a top candidate for leadership roles, boosting your income significantly. Think about this. A mechanical engineer with a basic role might earn $70,000 annually. By acquiring certifications in Lean Six Sigma or AutoCAD, they could push that number closer to $90,000. These aren't hypothetical numbers, they're real opportunities waiting for you to seize. Start by identifying one certification that aligns with your field and commit to earning it within the next 6 months. This small step can open doors to promotions and pay raises that transform your career. 2. Freelancing and consulting opportunities. Freelancing is revolutionizing the way engineers work. Imagine earning $5,000 a month by solving specific problems for multiple clients, instead of being tied to one employer. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow engineers to market their skills globally, making it easier than ever to find high-paying clients. Start by creating a standout portfolio showcasing your past projects. For instance, if you're a structural engineer, share designs that highlight your expertise in cost-efficient construction. From there, set competitive rates, and don't underestimate the power of excellent reviews. One freelance software engineer I worked with went from earning $60,000 a year to $120,000 annually by taking on remote clients in Silicon Valley. That's the power of freelancing. You're no longer limited by geography. 3. Creating and selling intellectual property. As an engineer, you have the unique ability to create products or solutions that solve real-world problems. Think about patents, software tools, or innovative designs. The key here is to identify a niche that needs your expertise. For example, one electrical engineer developed a more efficient solar inverter and licensed the design to manufacturers, earning passive income through royalties. This might sound complicated, but it starts with brainstorming solutions to everyday problems. Keep a notebook of ideas and research their feasibility. Once you've landed on a strong concept, protect it with a patent and consider pitching it to companies. Not only does this open doors to financial independence, but it also builds your legacy as an innovator. 4. Becoming an engineering educator or content creator. With platforms like YouTube, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning, sharing your expertise has never been more profitable. Engineers are flocking to these platforms, teaching everything from coding to 3D modeling, and earning substantial passive income. For example, a software engineer could create a course on Python basics, sell it for $50, and with 1,000 sales, they've made $50,000 all from a single course. If video production feels daunting, start with written content. A blog about your field can generate ad revenue or even attract consulting opportunities. The key is consistency. Choose one area you're passionate about and commit to building an audience. The payoff could be massive, both financially and personally. 5. Starting your own engineering business. Entrepreneurship isn't just for MBAs. Engineers are uniquely positioned to solve complex problems, making them natural entrepreneurs. Starting your own consultancy, tech firm, or manufacturing business might seem risky, but the rewards are unparalleled. Take, for example, an industrial engineer who founded a company specializing in efficiency optimization for factories. Within 5 years, they scaled it into a multi-million-dollar operation. The first step? Identify a pain point within your industry that you can address. Then, create a lean business plan and begin networking with potential clients. Remember, many successful entrepreneurs started small, but grew through persistence and smart decision-making. 6. Engineering in emerging fields. Fields like AI, renewable energy, and biotechnology are exploding with opportunity. Transitioning into these industries can significantly boost your earning potential. For instance, data engineers in the AI field often command six-figure salaries. Renewable energy consultants are another hot commodity as companies scramble to meet sustainability goals. Begin by upskilling through online courses or certifications in your target area. Dedicate just a few hours each week to learning, and within months, you'll be equipped to pivot into one of these high-growth fields. Your future self will thank you for this investment. 7. Networking and personal branding. Success isn't just about skills, it's also about who you know and how you're perceived. Engineers often neglect networking, but building strong professional connections can lead to unexpected opportunities. For example, updating your LinkedIn profile and actively engaging with industry leaders can make you stand out. Start today by attending industry events, joining relevant LinkedIn groups, or even reaching out to former colleagues. You'll be amazed at how quickly these efforts pay off. Every engineer has the potential to achieve financial freedom, but it requires action. The strategies we've discussed today aren't just theories, they're proven pathways to success. Each day you wait is another missed opportunity to improve your skills, build wealth, and create the life you've always wanted. Remember, it's not about how much you know, but how effectively you use what you know. If you found value in these tips, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let me know which strategy you're excited to try first. And don't stop here. Check the description for exclusive resources and links tailored to help you succeed. Since you stayed until the end, YouTube has chosen the perfect video for you to watch next. Click on it now and continue your journey to financial empowerment.